over and over.
But there,
No, they're new to me, and you know what? One day, I'm gonna be meet my 14 dreams, and we'll live happily ever after.
It's not dry.
guys, can we go to the restroom? Guys, you know, I want to be.
Sure, hello.
Yes. Ali, let's go to the restroom. Let's go.
Wait, guys. I will forget something.
Okay, I'm going for you. Hey, come down, too. What? Wherever you need. You're so cute. Let's go.
Lihim akong pagtingin, ngunit di ko masabi.
Hey, I know you. I said I know you. You were with the man that I bumped with.
You mean Zane?
Yes, he did. I didn't have a date with him. Can you do it first?
Depends.
Can you give it to me?
Can I read it?
No. You should give it. Thank you.
Go home together. Come on, let's go home together then. Okay. By the way, guys, I have something to tell you. I have someone in my mind for our adventure tomorrow. Her name is Sophia. Sophia? Yeah.
what's up?
Hello Ash, what's up?
I actually want to talk about our plan for tomorrow.
Oh, sure, go ahead.
Yeah.
What about our plan?
Unfortunately, Danica and Angela will not be able to go. They didn't say why.
Okay.
Yeah,
But how about you, Ash?
actually me as well because I changed schedules for my class. It's kind of sad.
That's okay.
Sorry.
It's fine. I guess me and the person on my mind will just enjoy our date tomorrow on Intramuras.
Yeah, you guys will solo the day, and
Sure.
that's great. Yeah, I just update you. And are you sure it's fine?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, Zane, take care. Bye bye.
Bye-bye, Ash.
ng kabalalim sa aking bawat paghinga. Nakatitig lamang sa iyo. Nakatila ng dahan-dahan sa pasilyo't saan ng simbahan. Hahagkanan, di ka bibitawan. Wala na akong mahihiling pa. Ikaw at ikaw. Ikaw at ikaw. Ikaw at ikaw. Ikaw at ikaw. Di maikukumpara, araw-araw kong dala-dala pa po. Ritong panalangin ko'y makasama ka sa pagtanda. Ang hiling sa Diyos na may gawa, ape. Lido ko'y maging iyo. Naglakad ka.
Sophia! Sorry!
Dahan-dahan sa pasilyo, tungo sa'kin at hinawakan mo ako't
Sophia,
hindi na
I want to ask you something.
What's that?
Are you open-minded?
What do you mean? Oh my gosh, what do you mean?
I know you want this, Sophia. So stop being so hard to get and come with me.
Let go of me!
Darn it, Sophia. So hard to get. Sophia, is that you? What happened?
You begged me.
What happened?
Try to arrest me.
Stand up. Tell me what happened.
He forced me to do something. He scared me so I ran away.
I'm sorry that happened. Is there anything I can do to help you? Anything. I can take you around if you want.
I'd love to, but let's rest here for a bit.
That's what you want.
I wanna go home now.
It's fine. I can take you home.
Let's go. everything you do. But for now, I need to go because I have something to do. Thank you, dear.
Sophia, wanna go around?
Sounds fine.
Ano ang aking gagawin? May lihim akong pagtingin, ngunit di ko masabi. Duwag na duwag ang sarili.
Sophia, wait. We need to talk to someone.
Okay, okay.
Exactly, sweetheart. I thought that you knew me very well. I thought that you knew Sophia wants me, and I want to take advantage of that. Why are you with her?
You don't deserve Sophia. You are asked her. So get away from her. Get away from us.
Oh, you want her? Fine, then have Sophia. But our friendship will end now. I don't care anymore, you traitor. Go away.
Where have you been? I heard someone fighting over there.
Sophia, it's not our business.
Okay.
Come on. Let's just focus on our business.
Matalo ng puso sa tuwa ay patungong langit na ata. Ikaw ang kasama sa titig pa lang tunaw na hawak sa kamay, wala na akong palagsa. Ay pag-ibig na ata. Sa ilalim ng kalawakan, pangalan mong isisigaw. Sa ilalim ng buwan ay titigan at tawagan na kamay.
They look so happy together. Makes me wonder, when can I find that kind of happiness too? Maybe someday. I can wait. It all takes time. That's what I always believe. I just wish, or rather, how I wish I could find that kind of love. How I wish I could find my ending.
Yeah,
Yes?
I like you.